In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send SMS messages with Brevo. We'll create and send a simple SMS campaign, from opening your account to picking recipients, writing a clear message, and sending it confidently. Let's get started. Open your Brevo account in your browser. In the left navigation, go to Marketing, then choose SMS to enter the SMS campaigns area. This is where you create, manage, and track all outbound text campaigns. If SMS isn't visible, make sure the feature is enabled and that your account has SMS credits so you can send. Click Create Campaign, choose SMS as the type, and give it a short descriptive internal name so your team can recognize it later. For example, March Promo, Returning Customers. Consistent naming with dates helps future reporting and comparisons. When you're happy with the name, create the campaign to move into the editor. Start by setting who the message appears to be from. Open the sender settings and enter your sender name or ID. Keep it recognizable and compliant with local rules. Some countries require numeric senders, others allow up to 11 alphanumeric characters. Make sure it clearly represents your brand, then save your sender settings. Now choose your recipients. Select the list or segment you want to reach and confirm the contacts have valid numbers with country codes and consent to receive SMS. Targeted lists help deliverability and reduce unsubscribes. Consider excluding recent buyers or non-engagers if you've already built those segments. When your audience looks right, save your selection, write your message, keep it concise and action-oriented. SMS is built in 160-character segments, so tighter copy saves credits and boosts readability. If you personalize, insert available placeholders to greet people by name. Avoid special characters and emojis since they can switch encoding and reduce your character limit. Include a single, trusted short link to track clicks and end with a clear call to action. Add any required compliance text for your region, such as opt-out instructions. When it reads cleanly, save. You're back on the campaign summary. From here, choose whether to send now or schedule for later. Scheduling respects recipient time zones and local sending windows, which can improve engagement. In this walkthrough, select Send Now, then confirm to dispatch immediately. Brevo will queue and deliver your messages to the selected recipients. And that's it. You've created, configured, and sent an SMS campaign in Brevo. Before larger sends, verify your sender name, double-check your audience, and keep copy brief and clear. Mind local quiet hours and regulations to drive better engagement. Thanks for watching and happy sending.